Hey everybody, welcome back. And we're back out here. She's going to paint our Volkswagen build. I have, sorry my phone's going off. I've got some of the parts glued together for the chassis and all, but she's about to mix the paint. She's going with a Tamiya green.
I changed my mind. I was gonna go tacky, but I just couldn't do it. So we're gonna go back
So
classy.
she was going to do the tacky, but now she's going to do the classy. So she's going to mix this. It's Tamiya, so we're not going to
I hope it didn't make it to the tube.
add any harder or anything.
So
Okay, we'll just push it back down in there. So she's going to do 4 milliliters of paint, and then we'll do 4 milliliters of
All right, let's try this
leveling thinner. You don't have to, when you push it back. Oh, go ahead.
Okay.
2. And so you're not getting all the 2 milliliters out.
Oops.
Because there's, you see it's still green inside there.
Yeah.
So you can do a little bit more than 2 on this one, just to make sure you're getting it. That's okay.
Okay, that good?
Yeah. So this Tamiya paint, we just mix it 50-50. Okay. All right. So
Throw
take
that away?
that. Nope. We're gonna get the rest of that paint out of there.
Oh, okay.
All right. Now let's put the lid back on that.
I do.
And then we'll add the leveling thinner. Sorry, my bench looks like a. This whole room is a mess.
I'm sure Jason would love to come in here and organize for you.
Yeah. Jason Hanscom at Blue Ox Model Shop. He was, when he came and visited us last year. I made sure this place was clean because and it still was probably driving him nuts.
Oh yeah, I used to organize for him, but I just quit. It just gets back like this.
That's,
Wait, I'm not getting it. To
you gotta you gotta mash the middle of it, not the end of it.
Did I make? Where's the 2?
I think that's it.
It's a little above.
It's
it.
okay. It's okay. Now press it again. There you go. All right,
Oh,
get
that's
one.
strong
Get one
sound.
more. Yeah, that leveling thinner is strong. It looks
How
like
come I can't even? Oh, there
it's
it is.
2.
Okay.
Go ahead. All right, don't get paint on that pipette because we can reuse that one. All right, just lay it beside the green one, and then take the green one now and start. Let me turn this phone
Bring
off.
it up in there, and then.
Be right back. That's Joseph. I got to answer it.
Oh yeah.
All right, so she's got her paint mix. My son was wanting to sight his rifle in, so I had to run out there and get him all set up.
Did you adjust it where it won't?
We got to turn on the vacuum here in a second. Oh yeah, let me turn this. I don't know if that's air pressure or if that's paint. Oh, you know what?
Me to pick it up.
Let's see. That's better. That's actually air. So this airbrush has the little thing on the bottom. That's air pressure. So if I want to calm down on the paint, I'll pull this. I keep the end off my needle things too. So I need that all the way in. I guess you'll just have to just not pull it back as far. You know, pull back. When you pull back, that adds that lets the paint. But when you press down, that's the air you want. There went a shot. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna turn on the vacuum and turn on some music. All right, well, it's painted. So she put the first coat and asked me if I put the second coat. So I put the second coat on there, a little heavier than her first coat. So that turned out pretty nice. Now I'm gonna put this off to the side because it is not dry. Can't show you my work over here on the bench. I got something right there. So got some paint mixed here for the chassis. Going to go ahead. No engine in this thing other than the bottom of it because it's going to be like curbside. Got to paint that. So we'll paint some black now. Ready? So the chassis and the interior floor have one coat, but there's so many little angles they got to have a second coat on, and she's kind of.
I'm gonna cut it right there.
Scoping out what she wants to do with
Can
this.
I just free cut it?
Yeah, just remember that's all you got.
That's plenty.
I got to change the battery real fast. I've never done any kind of decals on the interiors.
I think I cut this way too short, but I just wanted to something like that. But it's going to be longer. That piece is way too small.
So the seats will be wooden deck tan, and then she wants to. Like I say, you can cut some of that red back if you want to.
I like the red. That
Okay,
was for the Christmas.
And you can round the edge on that.
Where'd my car go?
You could round the edges on it and make the
See, I think that would look good once I get the
tan
seats. Possibly, we'll see. The only thing that throws me off is that gray.
I think it'll look fine once it's all together. So I got your army green car.
Yeah.
It'll have a roof rack on it and have some snow. I got the snow ordered, but it didn't come in with it. No, easy. Oh, I thought you were about to sit on the roof. Now here's the one that's already out, cut loose, but I broke a piece, so.
I could have went ahead and painted that.
That one. I got it cleaned up. You see all them little pieces. Okay, so, and then the back seat. You want the back seat. You probably would want to do two little things just like you did on the front.
Yeah, maybe so. It'd be too much.
Kind of match
the whole thing.
Or you could do, well, I don't know.
I don't know either. I feel like with it a bench seat, it needs to be there.
Well, you could go all the way across with it. That might look good.
I think I will. We'll see. I don't know.
And then I'd ask you guys about what to wrap the Christmas tree with. I got some pretty good ideas. But I stuck the Christmas tree inside this piece of heat shrink just to try to get it to where it would not be so fluffy.
I can't get it out.
And so that's got the tree looking nice. It looks like you could actually wrap it now with something that's not so full. Let me grab the other one just to compare. Here, hold this for me.
Okay.
Uh-oh, she's got the camera.
Where are you going?
You can't see my light. No, I can't see my light. Okay. So here's
Wait, it's not focused.
Right there. There's the one that what it did look like, and then that looks more like something that's wrapped up.
Why is this one so much shorter?
It's got.
Oh, you cut the standoff.
No, I mean they.
No, it's
you
cut the standoff.
They're Hobby Lobby trees. Maybe there were several. There were different sizes. I don't know.
But remember, we talked about possibly not. I talked about possibly not using the Christmas tree.
We may not use a Christmas tree. She hasn't made her mind up what she wants to have.
Well,
but it is a Christmas theme.
There's gonna be something Christmas.
Okay. I kind of like maybe. So what you were thinking of maybe?
I was thinking of maybe. I feel like
a little sled.
A sled, possibly on the roof rack, and then I might put the Christmas tree on the.
So maybe. Where did the tree go? You stuck it back in there. Maybe if you had a little sled and the tree like beside each other, like strapped together.
Say it again. What?
Like grab the.
Hang on.
grab that stuff real fast. Let me pull this out. And have like a sled, like we can tie this to make it more compact. Have like a little snow sled like on there as well.
You could put the sled and put the tree on the sled.
On the sled, okay.
Possibly.
And have it on the roof rack.
I don't know.
Okay. Well,
we'll see.
That's a plan, sort of. But what's today's date?
The 18th. We don't have much time.
The 18th, and it's December 1st. And we got Thanksgiving coming up. But I'll be off a few days during that time. So.
I have 2 more weekends.
So let me see this car one more time. The Army Green Volkswagen. We can shoot some clear on there. It's not very shiny. I don't even know if that was gloss paint we put on it. But anyway, got a dark green, which looks good. I think it looks cool. And then she'll have that tan interior. Just imagine, tan interior. And, oh, the door panels. I was going to mention that. So, here, hold this. And hold the camera one more time. Let me grab something. Alright, so, with the door panels.
Oh.
Come on, baby. You can do it. Not you. I'm talking about the camera. It's because it's got so much.
It's so bright.
Okay, here we go. Okay,
wait, there it goes. There it goes.
All right, so you can see the outline of the rear door panel and the front door panel. And typically on a Bug, it had. They would have black, tan, white, but we're going to paint this entire piece here probably black, and then the door panel area we will mask. Actually, around the door panel area, we'll mask it off with this. So this Green Stuff World liquid mask, it's got a. Here, hold this one more time.
Oh, okay.
I'm glad I got an assistant in here. So this stuff has. It's on a little brush, right? So basically, it's like you're painting on some rubber. So you can take that thing. I'll just demonstrate real fast, and then I'll peel it back off. So you take this stuff. Try to get this where it's focused.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, it's dripping. Alright, so
okay.
You would take this and you would apply it right next to where you want, put it on whatever you don't want paint, right? And then once that stuff dries, I did go over because I'm trying to do this and look at the camera at the same time. But once you do that, then you can paint it, and whatever's masked will be you peel that mask off. It's just like sticky glue. So whenever this dries, you just peel it off, and it's masked. Like you don't have to try and masking tape that whole thing. So anyway, that's what we'll do there.
That's easy. You didn't tell me all that.
It would be easier when it would be easier if we painted everything tan and then masked off the door panels, probably, although it would take a lot more masking, because sometimes getting in these really small areas, it's a bit difficult. But anyway, that's the plan. All right, so
okay.
Alrighty, all right, thank you for coming out here and doing that.
You're welcome.
All right, anyway, thanks guys for watching. What we got: seats to paint. They're not completely glued together yet. Seats to paint, door panels to paint, headliner to paint, roof rack to paint. Good grief.
We've just begun.
We have just begun, and then she's got to
this is our build.
We have to then get the interior.
Seats covered.
Yeah, that's gonna look nice. All right, so we're done. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and all that stuff. And take these glasses off so I can't see. But it makes me look just so much more like myself without them. But anyway, thank you for watching, and as always, check out hobbynutmodels.com Facebook group, guys. Thanks for all the participation over there. Oh yeah, I have an actual website, MCV. It may be out of stock on everything, but mcvproducts.net. It'll be in the description as well. But go check out everything that's linked down below. And yeah, thank you so much for all you guys do, and wish us luck on getting this thing done by December 1st. And I haven't heard anyone else except my friend Billy Bear said he was going to take part. Billy doesn't have in this group build. Billy doesn't have a YouTube channel, but when Billy gets his car, if he gets his car finished, I'll post his pictures on our reveal video, so you'll be able to see his too. But anyway, all right guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you all later.